the syndrome known as COVID-19 vaccine-induced cardiac arrest. And how this happens is you get injected with mRNA injections. The mRNA travels within lipid nanoparticles to all organ systems, including the heart. And once it's in there, your cardiomyocytes start to produce a spike protein. And also this spike protein is found circulating in the bloodstream, which can also reach the heart. There's now over 320 peer-reviewed studies showing that the spike protein alone is highly pathogenic. And so it gets in the heart, and then some people have symptoms, some people don't. They get myocarditis. This is seen 600% increased risks of myocarditis after mRNA injections based on the largest COVID-19 vaccine safety study ever conducted with 99 million people in it. So they get myocarditis, have symptoms or no symptoms, and we found that the trigger for this cardiac arrest is usually in the waking morning hours of sleep, 3 a.m. to 6 a.m., or during sports or exercise when there's a surge in catecholamines, including dopamine, norepinephrine, and epinephrine. And so we elucidate the syndrome.
Let me stop you. So cardiac events are known to occur in those two settings, right? In that phase of sleep when catecholamines rise, and then of course during exercise and exertion, oxygen demands and catecholamines go up. But this doesn't happen in young, healthy people. This happens in either somebody with intrinsic heart disease, often advanced myocardial disease, or very elderly, right?
Right, correct. It's not supposed to be seen in young, healthy adults as we've seen since 2021, since these cardiotoxic injections rolled out. But in our study also, we lay out, and Dr. McCullough, Peter McCullough, employs this risk stratification protocol in his practice. We lay out, how do you stratify? Who's at high risk, who's not? Well, first you got to test their spike antibodies. Are they high or low? We currently don't have a direct measurement for circulating spike protein, and so we have to rely on these antibodies. And so if it's high, they're at high risk, and then we have to go into further cardiac imaging. If they have symptoms, also high risk. If they have no symptoms, so they took the shot, nothing wrong, no post-exertional fatigue, no fatigue or massive cardiac complications, and their spike antibodies test low, then they'll be put in low risk. And so we risk stratify, and because unfortunately the federal government under the Biden administration did absolutely nothing to risk stratify and to find who's at high risk of these cardiac events